Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll explore how you can speed up your Shopify workflow by using some handy keyboard shortcuts. Shopify provides a variety of shortcuts tailored for merchants aiming to streamline their admin tasks. Mastering these shortcuts is one of the easiest methods to boost your daily productivity, allowing you to dedicate more time to essential tasks such as growing your business. So, how does it work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is type out the desired key combination exactly as it's listed from left to right. Once you've done that, Shopify will recognize the sequence and take action based on your command. But here's the key detail to remember. You have to press the full sequence of keys within just 1 second. That's what it takes for Shopify to register it as a shortcut, so quick fingers can really make your workflow smoother. We can break down these Shopify shortcuts into 3 primary categories: general shortcuts, navigation shortcuts, and action shortcuts. Let's take a look at some of them in each category. If you've ever found yourself tirelessly searching and clicking through your Shopify store, rest assured you're not alone. With the S key, you can leverage the power of Shopify's versatile search bar for seamless and efficient searches. No more hunting through endless lists. Filtering helps to fine-tune search results. By pressing the F key, you can quickly access the filter bar, allowing you to narrow down the results to exactly what you're looking for. If your Shopify store is packed with a plethora of apps, the OA shortcut is your express ticket to immediate access. Press OA to unveil the Shopify app browser, where you find a list of your installed apps, complete with a full text search feature. Navigating through various sections of your Shopify admin can be tedious at times. However, with the help of keyboard shortcuts, you can make your life easier. With the following shortcuts, you can zip around effortlessly to the pages you need the most. To go to the orders page, press GO. To go to the products page, press GPP. To go to the product collections page, press GPC. To go to the customers page, press GC. To go to analytics, press GN. And to go to the settings page, press GS. Whether you're keeping an eye on your orders, managing products, or diving into the analytics, these navigation shortcuts will save you precious time and clicks. Now that we've explored the first 2 categories, let's move on to the third category: action shortcuts. These shortcuts are designed to help you perform specific actions within your Shopify admin interface. Whether you're introducing a new item or expanding your inventory, the AP shortcut is your quickest route to adding a new product to your Shopify store. Efficiently organizing your products into collection is crucial for helping customers find what they're looking for. The AC shortcut makes this process effortless. Sometimes you need to create orders directly within your Shopify admin. In such cases, the AO shortcut is your go-to solution. It simplifies the order creation process, making it perfect for phone or in-person orders. The AC shortcut enables you to seamlessly add new customers to your database. Whether you're welcoming newcomers or managing the existing customers, this shortcut ensures your customer list always remains up to date. Running promotions or offering discounts is a common strategy for attracting and retaining customers. The AD shortcut streamlines the process of creating discounts for your products, making it an invaluable tool in your marketing efforts. These shortcuts are some of our team's favorites here at Tufio, and we hope they become your go-to tool as well. If you're eager to expand your shortcut repertoire, our team has put together an article with a full list of Shopify shortcuts for you to explore further. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Djimi, and I wish you all the best on your e-commerce journey.